Look at this little cutie, this little beauty, this gorgeous little wildflower is called Gallant Soldier. No idea. Maybe it's because it's so brave. Maybe it's because it stands so tall above all else. But me, personally, I call it duck feet. Okay, I know it's nowhere near as glorious a name as Gallant Soldier. But you know what? Look at the shape of those petals. Let's try and get focus. They are like little tiny duck feet. Excuse my dirty fingers, I'm gardening. Little tiny duck feet. Quack, quack. I love it. Gallant Soldier. Little duck feet.